Hello, welcome again. Talks at 38 degrees Celsius. What will be its viscosity in Newton second per meter square? Option A 0.2520, option B 0.0311, option C 0.0252, option D 0.0206. So, the kinematic viscosity is 0.28 strokes or 0.28 centimeter square per second, and in meter square per second it is 0.28 by 100 square, and specific gravity is zero point 0.9 and density is zero point 0.9 into 1900 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, and the kinematic viscosity is mu by rho. Okay, so mu is your 0.28 by 100 square, and if you multiply by rho, that is 900, that we get 0.0252 Newton second per meter square. So answer is option C. Okay, 0.0252. Next, a stone weighs 392.4 Newton in air and 196.2 Newton. Volume of the stone is option A 2 into 10 power 4 centimeter cube, option B 2 into 10 power 3 centimeter cube, option C 2 into 10 power 5 centimeter cube, option D 2 into 10 power 3 centimeter cube. Okay, now weight of stone in air is your 392.4, and weight of stone in water is 196.2 Newton. Okay, for equilibrium, the weight of air should be weight in air should be equal to weight of stone in water plus weight of water distance. Okay, that is buoyant force plus weight of stone in water. Okay, so as weight in air is 392.4 and weight of stone in air water is 196.2, so this will be equal to weight of water displaced. Weight of water displaced is volume of stone or volume of water displaced into 1000 into 9.81. Okay, so volume of water space will be 196.2 divided by 1000 into 9.81, that will be 1 by 50 meter cube. It will be 2 into 10 power 4 centimeter cube. So answer is option A. Okay. 2 raised power 2 into 10 power 4 centimeter cube. Next, we have found out volume in meter cube, and we have converted into centimeter cube. Okay. Next, the density of water of a metallic body which floats at the interface of mercury of specific gravity 13.6 and water such that the 40% of its volume is submerged in mercury and 60% in water. Option A 5312 kilogram per meter cube, option B 6020 kilogram meter cube per meter cube, option C 2356 kilogram per meter cube, option D 4185 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, so let V be the volume of the body. Okay, and 40% of it is in water and 60% is in 40% is in mercury and 60% is in water. Okay, so volume of the body submerged is 0.4 V, in mercury is 0.4 V, and in water is 0.6 V. Okay, now as whole of the body is submerged in mercury and water, so total buoyant force exerted by water and exerted by mercury should be equal to weight of the body. Okay, because for equilibrium, because these are the upward forces and downward forces your weight. So force of buoyancy due to water plus force of buoyancy due to mercury should be equal to total buoyant force, or it should be equal to weight of body. So weight of water displaced by body is, first of all, taking the buoyancy force due to water. So that is weight of water split by the body. Density of water into G into volume of water space, that is 0.63, so 1000 into G into 0.63. And force due to force of buoyancy due to mercury, the weight of water placed by mercury by the body and volume of body in mercury, that is 13.6 into 1000 into 0.4 G. So this total weight is equal to rho Gv. Okay, equating these, so only missing thing is your V. Okay, all other things we know. Sorry, V will cancel out, only missing thing is density of body. Okay, so from this we have density of body as 6040 kilogram per meter. Just we have to equate the buoyant force uh, caused by mercury and buoyant force caused by water equal to weight of water, and buoyant force of mercury is volume submerged by in mercury uh, into density of mercury, okay, and into G, and buoyant force by water is volume submerged in water into G into density of water. Okay, by equating this we can get density as 6040 kilogram per meter cube. So answer is option B. Okay. Next, a cylindrical body of cross sectional area A, height h and density rho s is immersed to a depth h in a liquid of density rho and tied to bottom with a string. The tension in the string is, so this is your string, and this is h height of body, and h is volume in water. Okay, so options are A rho Gha, option B rho s minus rho Gha, option C rho minus rho s Gha, option D rho h minus rho sh Ga. Okay, so this is the case, cause T is the tension in downward direction. Okay, and weight is acting in downward direction because the body due to buoyant force try to go up, so tension will be in downward direction and buoyant force will be in upward direction. Okay, and buoyant force is caused by the volume of body submerged in water, so that is rho Gha. So rho Gh into A, and weight of body is rho G capital H A, and tension in string is T. So W plus T is equal to rho Gha. So T is equal to rho Gha minus rho S Gha, or rho H minus rho S H to Ga. Very tension in string. Answer is option B. Okay.